Well, hello once again. A little bit of updates. I have a new microphone, so I hope that now you will be able to understand everything I say. Cause it was some sort of mumbling in previous videos. Moreover, I'll try making my videos shorter and divide the practice functions, the practice series, onto smaller pieces. Also, just for a start, today we are starting practice tasks for data structures. So I'm going to translate every task I have so far just for you to be able to do it on your own. First task, make up a telephone dictionary. Second task, make up a program to count the frequency of the words in the text. Third, make up the by list with the ability of adding and removing the items from it. 4. Make up a program for uniting of two dictionaries. 5. Make up a program for searching for duplicates in a list. 6. Make up a function for sorting the dictionary according to the values. Well, this one, we're not going to make it as a function. We will make it just as a program because we have no idea about the functions yet. Number 7, make up a program for working with matrices as the lists of lists. 8, make up a program for filtering the list according to the condition. Some regular expressions, I guess. 9. Make up a simple database of students using dictionaries. Okay. And number 10. Make up a program for processing JSON data. So, in this particular video, we'll do just a couple of the tasks, not to make it too long. But I'll try releasing at least 3 videos per week. So I hope that we will be able to keep the pace. And now, without further ado, let's start then. So, the first task, we need to make up a telephone dictionary using dictionaries. Telephone book, I guess it's called. Never mind. So, our first task. What are we going to do is we're going to make up a variable called, I don't know, phone book, let me show. It's gonna be uh just an empty, I guess, just an empty dictionary. Then we will need 3 different things. We will need, no, actually we'll make it simple. We will make just the full pre-listed dictionary just to keep it simple, right? So I don't know, Chloe, um something like that, yeah. And no, 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 no. Then Lucifer, it's gonna be 8. Doesn't really matter. Um, I'm in DL, I guess. That was his name. And that's it. I watched this series too far ago. So to show up that it works precisely, let's print number of Chloe, and in here we place a number which will be phone book with the key Chloe in quotation marks or in apostrophes. Let's check it. The number of Chloe, and it gives us the same number, so 3 ones in here and here. Very well. We coped with the first task. Now it's gonna be task number 2. Make up a program for counting the frequency of words in the text. Okay, so first of all, we need to input, right? So text equals to input the text. Then what do we need? Just in order to find out the frequency, what should we do? First of all, we need to split it. So to make it a list, for that one, we're going to do text dot split with the separator is going to be the space, as we need words, and words are separated from each other with the space. Okay. Then what will we do? We will make up a dictionary. We can just call it dic. Well, dictionary. Let it be explicit. Which is going to be an empty as for now. But then for every element in text listed, we are going to do what? We're going to do dictionary with the key element, make it empty. So we just form the keys of the dictionary, right? Then what do we need? We need to let to go for each element in text listed. We need to do what? We need to find it. How are we going to find it? We need to find the same word in the okay, so we can do dictionary. Oh no. Okay, okay. Dictionary dot, oh, no dot, it's gonna be L. Here it should be 0. Here equals to dictionary L plus equal 1. It shows me a problem, but I don't understand why. Oh, it's plus 1. No, plus 1. But if we do it like this, we can't have same um we can't have the same keys in a dictionary. So in order to avoid this, we can use set. Set is a data structure that is very similar to the list, but it can't have any same elements. Can we do it? Let's find out. Set seed text equals to set new empty set objects set each, yeah, okay, text listed. It should work now, and for all the elements in static text, yeah, I hope it should work. Now we need to print f, of course. The final result is going to be I'm not really sure that it will function correctly if we just make a dictionary. Oh, let it be so. Okay. So dictionary. It won't be displayed, okay, but I have the problem over here, so let's try it at least. Input the text, of course, yeah. I think it is very important to keep doing anything you are to do. What the fuck? Oh, no. What's that? It shows all zeros. So the counter doesn't work. The counter doesn't work. Okay, what if we replace it? No. We can do just plus equal 1. Let's do it one more time. I do believe it. Yes, do 2, believe 1, 2, 2, I 2, each 2. Yeah, it works. It works very well. Okay, great. It looks like we won't be able to make it. Really should, huh? So, I guess we will be able to do one more task. if you don't mind, and the rest will leave for the future. So, task number 3. What's that? Make up the list, the bind list. How do you call it in English? With the possibility of adding and removing the items of it. Okay, so first of all, buys equals to list. It's now empty. We anyway need to make up some, it's kind of functions. We don't know functions though. So we're going to use if for that, right? So what do we want to do is an action that's going to be empty as for, no, it's not going to be empty. It's going to be just an input. So what would you like to do? Then if action equals to add, then item to add equals to input add an item, and then we need to add it to our buys, right? So buys dot append items to buy, items to add, yeah. Okay, we've realized the add function. Then if action equals to remove, then we need to like print all the, we need to print everything. So I guess it would be better to for I in buys in len print f I buys I. I hope it's like that. I don't really remember. So we're going to display all the list of our things that we need to buy, and we have already decided that we are going to, so everything that is in this list. Then enter the index. No. Removal input, enter the index to be removed. And here the user will choose the index to be removed, and as you see here, we can just then use buys, which particular buys dot remove, which one is here, removal, but it won't work because everything input is a string. So we need to wrap it into the int function to make it a number. Okay, very well. Now a leaf. Uh-huh. Let's just action equals to display, right? A little bit of um, a little bit of practical source, and we will just copy that. Now it should work now. And else, no, not here, sweetheart. Print wrong. Inappropriate choice. So in here, if we leave it like this, it's going to be just a single time, right? And we don't need it. We don't want it. We want our program to work constantly until we wish another. So just while true, it's gonna be an infinite cycle that we will be able to interrupt slowly with the built-in commands of the terminal, which is Control plus C. And yeah, I hope you can see. No, you can't see. Okay, so for the next video, I'll add the capturing of different key combinations so that you can see and understand how I'm doing some things that you can't see because they're made from the keyboard. Let's anyway check it. What would you like to do? First of all, we have an empty list, so I'd like to add something. An item to add, well, I guess some milk would be nice. Also, I would like to add some bread, and I'd like to add some pasta. What have we added? Let's display it. Jesus Christ. Range. I forgot range. So that we are not hopping at the elements of the list themselves, but on their indexes. One more time. I'd like to add. No, please, not here. I'd like to add milk, bread, and what were we doing last time? Pasta. So show it to me. It's milk, bread, and pasta, you see. Okay. But I don't really like bread so much, so I'd like to remove it from my pies. Nah, I'll go with one. Nope. Okay. And the trace back module list remove X. X is not in list. Oh no. Yeah, so in here, yeah, we need to make it like this. By with the index of removal. I forgot it's not the index over here, it's an element. This is the element, and the index of this element is going to be 2. Yeah. Okay, anyway, we can dig it up with the index, hopefully. Add A, add B, add C, add D, display, remove 0, display, okay, 2, display, inappropriate, oh, remove 2, display, no. Yeah, so it works, and we can interrupt the program only with Control plus C. Okay, so that's it for today. Our programs work properly, so we will be able to go further. Thank you very much for entering this video, however you did it, and see you further. Have a nice day. Bye.